Okay, so welcome to this video. So this lab is SQL injection vulnerability in where clause allowing the retrieval of hidden data. So bago natin puntahan yung lab, basahin natin muna yung instruction. No? So sabi, this lab contains an SQL injection vulnerability in the following category filter. When the user selects a category, the application carries out a SQL query like the following. So pinakita sa atin, select star, so sineselect lahat from products. So yung products yung ating table where category equals gifts. So self-explanatory naman to. And released equals 1. So sabi, to solve the lab, perform a SQL injection attack that causes the application to display one or more unreleased products. No? So, pag in-access natin yung lab, ito yung makikita natin. And unang-una is hahanapin natin yung category, no? Sabi sa atin na yung product category filter daw yung merong SQL injection vulnerability. So, first thing is hanapin natin kung nasan yung category. And kapag nagpindot-pindot kayo dyan, makikita nyo na ito yung category, no? So, again, imagine natin yung ating SQL query, no? So, select star from products where category equals gifts, or in this case, yung category natin is accessories, and released equals 1, no? So, meaning, from this statement, pwede natin na i-assume, no, na yung released equals 1 ay yung mga na-released na products, no? So, pwede natin gawin is to try and show yung mga unreleased na data. 'Di ba? So, pwede natin gawin is and released equals 0. No? So, paano natin gagawin yon? Kung accessories, i-close natin yung ating category and lalagyan natin ng and released equals 0. No? And then, i-comment out natin yung mga sumunod. So, ang payload natin is ito. Tama? So, let's try to put this here. So, as you can see, makikita natin yung unreleased na mga categories. No? So, yung ZZZ bed, your new home office ay wala dito sa all categories. No? So, wala siya dyan. Pero ang gusto natin is retrieval of hidden data. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa yun daw yung hinahanap natin. So, what else can we do? So, pwede natin gawin is, instead na very specific na end released equals 0 yung gusto natin makuha, pwede na lang natin kunin lahat, no? So, again, close natin yung category or 1 equals 1. So, bakit 1 equals 1? So, yung 1 equals 1 is always true. Tama? 1 is always equal to 1. Then, remember, ang OR statement, magiging true siya kapag ka one of its inputs ay true, no? Since 1 equals 1 is always true, then this whole statement will always be true. Okay? So, let's try that. Apply natin ulit. So, categories equals accessories. Then, input natin ating payload. And there you go. Na-solve na natin yung lab. And as you can see, makikita natin yung mga ibang hidden categories. Okay? So there you go. So I hope you understand this lab and see you in the next video.